In conclusion, now that you know the basics of working with Audacity, you'll want to start working with even more advanced features so that you can begin to tweak some aspects of your audio. And the best place to start with this is going to be the Effect menu. And you're going to notice a number of elements that you can use on your timeline. You'll be able to look to find out what this actually does to what Audacity calls the waveform. For example, you'll see here that we can change the pitch, the speed, and the tempo. We can repeat parts of the track. We can reverse the track. And while most of these elements are going to be most relevant for someone that's putting together music, they can work for someone putting together spoken word audio. And while Audacity is primarily an audio tool, there is one tool within the help command that you may find unusual for a program like Audacity, but is available to you. And you'll notice then that you have screenshot tools. And if you click this menu, your screenshot tools will open. What you can do is either capture an entire window, or you can capture a part of a window. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to save the images to the folder where you want them, and then you can click any of the buttons that are going to be relevant to the screenshot that you're taking. And once you've taken the screenshot, you'll see it available in the window you specified. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.